Today, I'm going to share with you some cost-effective scrunchie warehouse storage solutions. So stay tuned and I will see you in a moment. Hey girl, hey, and welcome back to OMG & Co., also known as OMG Scrunchie Club. I am the scrunchie creator, jewelry maker, Lamiel, and for those of you that are new, welcome to the club. If you clicked on today's video, it's likely that you want to know about storage solutions for your scrunchie business or your scrunchie warehouse or studio. So I am going to share with you a few of the solutions that I have that are cost effective that I am personally using in my scrunchie warehouse setup. So let's get into my look really quickly. These are some OMG & Co. fringe earrings. They are called, I forgot the name of them. But anywho, they're on the website omgnco.com or omgscrunchieclub.com. So I have 3 storage solutions that you could use for your scrunchie business, and I'm going to start with one that I purchased from Five Below. So this wasn't $5 and under, but it was actually $10, and it is a stackable storage shoebox system here. So I have set up 2 of the cubes. It comes with 4, so you're getting 4 for $10. Which is roughly, well, it is $2.50 per shoebox if you break it down. So I have a setup right here. Let me just pan down a little and zoom in. So I put some of my mini scrunchies just so that you can get a look at how I have things in here. So I'm currently working on putting my warehouse together. So that's where I am right now, in the warehouse, putting my storage system together and other things. So if I look a little rough around the edges, that's because I am working. So here is the shoebox. I will say, excuse me, I did not enjoy putting this shoebox together. It was not the easiest thing. It's not really hard, but I'm one of those people, I want to put it together and be done. On Christmas, when I was a little kid, we didn't read instructions. We just put things together and play with them. If you know what I mean, comment down in the comment section below. My kids, they don't read the instructions to things. Unless it's really difficult, then they'll read the instructions. But most of the times, we just like to take it out of the box and use it. It is a shoebox. So it has an opening in the back so that if you are putting shoes in it, it will air out the shoes for you just in case you have smelly feet or something like that. And on the front, it has a little door so you can put some scrunchies in here. I just stuck some minis in here for the purpose of this demonstration. But whenever I try to find storage solutions, I try to find things that are collapsible, meaning that if I'm not using them, I can break them down and store them, put them back up, and bring them out later where they're not in the way if I do put them up. For example, this table here, it is a foldable table. I can take the top off and fold the legs in, and I can store it into a tight space. So this is storage solution 1 for your scrunchie warehouse or scrunchie studio or even your bedroom. This will work in your bedroom. I mean, I can put larger scrunchies in here as well. So let's see, I'll take these out and grab some of my XXL scrunchies. So I just grabbed a handful of XXL scrunchies. That's 5 scrunchies, so I could like pack this really deep with lots of scrunchies here. So that's just 5 scrunchies. But yeah, that is solution number 1. Now let's check out solution number 2. So here is storage solution number 2, numero dos. Okay, so I purchased these stacking bins right here from Walmart. This was before, was it before the pandemic? I want to say it was either 2020 or early 2021. I will pop the receipt here because I scanned this receipt into my Walmart app. So I will say these were the first storage solutions that I purchased for my scrunchies, the ones that I showed you first. I just purchased those solely for the purpose of this video. When I saw them in Five Below, I was like, hey, this may help someone that's trying to find a storage solution for their scrunchie business. So I'll just buy a pack of these shoe boxes and use them. But I can use the shoe boxes if I decide just to store my minis in, which I think is a cool idea. But I don't know if I want to spend $10 just to get 4 shoe boxes. But anywho, let's get back to solution number 2. So I purchased these. When I purchased these, they were under $7 a box. I want to say they were like $6.98. So whenever Walmart had them in stock, I would just buy all of them. And the thing that I like about these is, check this out. So you can take the top off. That's the inside. These bins are 16.25 wide, 15.5 deep, and 11.63 inches in height. So one of the good things about this bin is that if I'm not using the bin, I stuck a few scrunchies in some of these just for the purpose of this video. If I'm not using the bins, guess what? They can stack inside of one another, like so. I'll just stack these. So you can stack them inside of each other, and I can stack the lid on top. I will tell you this now, my friends, these bins now are $10, and I want to say $10.99, $10.98, but they are almost double the price that I paid for them when I caught them. So I have 28 of these. I wish I had 2 more just to make it 30. But if you are looking for a cheap storage solution, this is a good one as well. Even at $10 is a good price. So I know many people that watch Scrunchie videos, watch Tina's videos. So I will say that in her video, she uses storage bins from Uline. We have a Uline factory right here in Georgia, not far from where I live. We get 1-day delivery, next day delivery, but anywho, sidebar. So if you've seen those bins, they're excellent bins, especially if you have lots of space. So my issue is I don't have a huge warehouse or studio space, so I need something that if I'm not using it, I can tuck it away, as I stated earlier. So with those bins that she has, they are running like $25 a bin, which is very expensive for a bin in comparison to the solutions that I'm going to show you. And the con to that is when you get them, you can't stack them inside of each other. Say you just want to store them to the side, you can't stack them inside of each other like this. They only stack on top of each other. So that is one con of having those. But if you have the space to get them, I would say, hey, go for it. Maybe one day as I grow, I will get those. But right now I am happy with this little storage solution. If I can find 2 more pink boxes, I would just have to fork over $20 just so I can have 30 boxes. But 28 is still an even number, so it's working out for what I need to do. But yeah, that is this storage solution. So I just gave you 2 storage solutions, 3 if you count the Uline storage solution, which if you want, I can leave a link to Uline in the description box below. They do charge for shipping, and they have different size boxes, but the bigger boxes are more expensive. Even the smaller boxes are still on the expensive side, in my opinion. I'm all about saving money, not spending money. So it's totally up to you how you want your Scrunchie studio to look. So right now I have 2 different storage systems. I have this one and the third one that I'm going to show you. I'm one of those people that kind of want everything to match, but at the same time, I'm like, no one really cares, especially the consumer. They don't care if your storage bins match or not. It's just an aesthetic look that I want to have it look cohesive. But I was like, hey, just get these storage solutions so that you can have your scrunchies all situated, and you all don't care. You just want the products that's in the storage bin. So yeah, that's where I'm going with that. So I'm going to go ahead and pull over the third storage warehouse solution that you can use for your scrunchie business. So here is my third and final storage solution for a scrunchie studio, especially a growing studio. I purchased these cube walls from Amazon. I will say, for some reason, God has blessed me to find things on sale, and when I find them, I buy everything that I can find. So I purchased this 30 cube shelf wall system here from Amazon. They only had 2 left, and they were $54.99. I think I will post the price somewhere in this video. And the other ones that I was looking at, they were like $119 to $154, up to $200 just for 30 cubes. So I bought the only 2 that they had, but I will leave a link to the store that I purchased them, and they do have black ones. They're $79.99 for 30 cubes. But yeah, this one is pretty cool. I like the cube wall because I can arrange it any way that I want. Right now I have this set up as 5 across going horizontal and 6 rows going vertical. I am 4'11.5", and let's see. Here, oops, here is the top cube here. So I'm just assuming that each cube, I want to say it's 12 inches or 14 inches. It depends. They have some cubes that are 12 by 12, and then they have some that are 14 by 14. These may be 14 by 14 because if this were 5 feet, it would just be an inch. No, not an inch, half an inch taller than I am to this one. And it's more than that. I do have on shoes too, so if I took, let's see. I know you guys aren't asking for this, but I'll show you anyway. So if I take my shoe off, this is where I am in regards to the 5th cube. So I want to say these are 14 by 14. I don't know, but in the description, if I remember, I will post that. So this one is a pretty cool storage system. I like that I can just go and grab, let's see, I can go and grab the scrunchies that I want. So I just threw a few scrunchies in here just to show you how it looks with scrunchies in it. I have sold a lot of scrunchies since I've been on YouTube, so thank you all for buying scrunchies from me. But yeah, I like this one because I can just go in and grab. I know that I have to come up with some type of SKU system so I can make it easy because my daughters are going to start helping me, but maybe I'll do a video on that later. But yes, this is the 3rd scrunchie storage solution for your scrunchie business. So to wrap this up, here are my 3 storage solutions for you for your scrunchie business. They are cost effective, affordable, especially if you don't want to spend a lot of money on scrunchies, especially if you don't want to spend a lot of money on storage. I'd rather spend more money on fabric than storage. I have some big bins, some Sterilite bins, big clear bins that I have scrunchies stored in those as well. So I just got this in yesterday. Today is April 25th, so I got it on the 24th. And I put it up. So you'll see another video of me putting it together, and hopefully soon I will have everything organized so that I can do a warehouse tour. But yeah, wanted to share that with you all. I hope that you all have a wonderful day, and thanks for subscribing. Leave a comment down in the comment section below, especially if you know of some other cost-effective storage solutions for a scrunchie business or any business in general. I know people use this cube system here for a t-shirt business, jewelry business, any kind of business. It's just cool to organize stuff in, and you can use it in your room as well. But that is the end of this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank you for watching. Now I have to go. All right, thanks guys. Have a good day. Bye-bye.